everyone. Good morning. Yes, it's still 11:30. Happy Thursday. It is down to my last 2 days of the break. It has been cold. It has not felt like a warm break at all. It's been super cold. I thought today was April, so last night I decided not to start a new book. Today's still March. So my goal is I have started this book, The Ex-Hex by Erin Sterling, I think. I hate when I try and say names because I don't know if I get them right all the time. I've had 1 cup of coffee already. I want to have another one, but I also want to take myself to Starbucks for about an hour just to read and kind of detox from social media and stuff. And I realize it's been a while since I've done a vlog. So I'm going to do a little vlog for the last day of March. So far, made myself breakfast, scrambled eggs. They didn't turn out so well. So I had my makeup right now. It's kind of weird. I just had toast with peanut butter and jam. So my office is a little bit more clean than it was, I guess. I still have some stuff on the ground. As you can see, I still have my Indigo bag there so I can record my book Indigo haul today. And I put some laundry in, and I wanted to go in my storage room and see if I can clean a bit still. I don't know, I feel like every other day I try and clean and get rid of more stuff because I want to make room for stuff. And I rearranged my bookshelf because I realized I had a whole bunch of mind the messy desk behind me. I had a whole bunch of random stuff on my shelf, and I'm like, I wasted this whole entire bookshelf space when I could easily put books on it. So I rearranged my bookshelf a bit. So these are the top 10 books of Indigo in 2021. I've read 2 of them so far. The month of April, I'm going to read, hopefully, I'm going to put 2 of those books on my list for the month of April. And then these are just kind of random books. And again, I had a lot of these random stuff on my shelves. I don't know why this is here. That did take up a lot of space, but I think I still might. This one is a bit better. I have a lot more room. This is another kind of a random shelf. Fun fact, most of the books on this shelf actually were either from a thrift store or I got them for free. It's like someone gave them to me. So these books were from the thrift store. This book was from the thrift store. This wasn't, obviously, because it's still open. I watched the Darkest Mind series or the movie, and I loved it so much I had to buy the whole series. This is the latest one in the series. I used to own these books, then I got rid of them, and I want to reread them. So these are actually given to me. Someone gave these books to me. These books, again, except for this book, this was thrifted. These ones are books that people gave to me. This one I bought. And then all these books, except I believe these 2 books were from a thrift store. The rest of these, this was from a thrift store too. This was given to me, this was given to me. All these books, minus this one, no. I think I got this. Actually, all these books were from a thrift store. All these Stephen King books were from the thrift store. So the reason why I have less books on the bottom shelf is because of my daughter. She likes to go through my books and pull them off the shelf, and it just drives me insane. So I won't show the top shelf because that's my Indigo book haul. These books, most of these books were thrifted except for this one and these two. Pretty much all these books on this shelf were from the thrift store, and then this one someone gave to me. Again, all these books are from the thrift store. Someone gave me this book and this book. All of these books were from the thrift store. Somebody gave me these two books. These ones I bought a while ago. I still have not read. This was from the thrift store. This somebody gave me. All these books were thrift store books right here. And all these books were thrift store books. I don't believe this one I got from somebody. Right here. Also, I thought I would show you our weather right now. It's actually supposed to be +5 or +6 tomorrow, but our weather right now to show you all the calm before a storm for those who've never seen snow or a blizzard or whatever, and I cannot promise you it's going to be what they said it is. I hope not, because we have fun plans this weekend that I really don't want to have to stay home for. So this is my panic stock, okay? This is what I call 2 loaves of bread, some extra crackers, some cookies.